Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the tone of the picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a photo from your device and go to the Adjust section next to the Filter button at the bottom of the page. And here find the Tone button. And here just drag the circle on the line, and here you can edit the lightness, the brightness, and the darkness of the picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.